She had a shiny little Beamer with a rag top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs are all barking and a wagging around, and I just laughed and said, y'all get in. She had a nutty new dress with a curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what do you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here. I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, maybe go faster, down through the woods, out in the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. Go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. The fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out. You turn up the lights and head back to the house, so we can go for another ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods, out in the pasture. As long as I'm with you, really don't matter. Come up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Just let the dust off the sea. Put your little arms around me. Well, you can be my lap if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, maybe if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go to town, we can go another round on my big green tractor.